For question number 33 is part B. It's given that the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 300 centimeter. It is ruled along one of its sides to form a cylinder. We have to find the dimensions of the rectangular sheet so the volume of cylinder so formed is maximum. Okay, so let's say this is the rectangular sheet and let's suppose x be its length. Now it's given that perimeter is 300 centimeter and we know that the perimeter of the rectangle is given by 2 into L plus B, which gives us L plus B is equal to 150. L is X, so breadth is equal to 150 minus X centimeter. So this is 150 minus X centimeter is the breadth. So length is X and the breadth is 150 minus X centimeter. Now it's given that this is rolled along one of its sides. So let's say it is rolled along the length. So if rolled along length x, so this will be the cylinder. Now, if rolled along x, so the circumference of this circular top or base will be equal to x. So that means 2 pi r is equal to x, and which gives me r is equal to x upon 2 pi centimeter. And the height of this cylinder becomes the breadth. So this will be the height, 150 minus x centimeter. Now we have to find the dimensions so that the volume of the cylinder is maximum. So let's consider the volume as V. So V is equal to pi r square h, putting in the value of r, which is x upon 2 pi square, and height is 150x minus x. So V is equal to, this is pi x square upon 4 pi square into 150 minus x. So this is now 150 x square upon 4 pi minus x cube upon 4 pi. Now for maxima, dv by dx should be equal to 0. So let's differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, give me 150 upon 4 pi into 2x minus 3x square upon 4 pi is equal to 0. So I'm going to solve this and let's get the value of x. So I'm just going to take this to the other side, because if taking here x common, x cannot be 0. So I'm going to get the value of x. So this gets cancelled. This is now x. This is 50, and which gives me x is equal to 100 centimeter. Now let's check using the second order derivative test that for x is equal to 100, what is the value of the second order derivative? Let's find out the second order derivative. So this is the first order derivative, and second order derivative is now 150 into 2 upon 4 pi minus 6x by 4 pi. So this is now 300 upon 4 pi minus 6x upon 4 pi. This is the second order derivative, and let's check the second order derivative's value at x is equal to 100. So at x is equal to 100, second order derivative's value is 300 upon 4 pi minus 6 into 100 upon 4 pi, which is equal to negative 300 upon 4 pi, which is less than 0. So that means at x is equal to 100 centimeter, V is maximum. Now at x is equal to 100, V is maximum. So let's find out the breadth as well. So breadth was 150 minus x, which is 100, so 50 centimeter. So for length is equal to 100 centimeter and breadth is equal to 50 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is maximum for given parameter, which was 300 centimeter. Right. So these are our values of the length and the breadth.